Hey everyone, Ryan here. I'm at Main Street today in Pleasanton, and today is a big special day because Alameda County Fair will be open. Today's actually the first day for it, so we're getting for a big cattle run here on Main Street. It doesn't last that long, it's maybe like a few minutes, but this is special because this is the last time, and the last time this is going to happen. This has been in tradition for the last couple of years, for a very long time. So how about we enjoy this cattle run? Okay, so we're waiting for the arrival. But right now, we're just enjoying the view of Main Street here. Every one of these times, I'll show you guys what Pleasanton Main Street is like. I'm just across the street from Gay 90s, which is a really popular place here on Main Street, too. Here's Gay 90s. So if you come to Pleasanton, come to Main Street and go to Gay 90s, because it's a really good place to hang out, and their pizza is really good. Here's a great look of Pleasanton Main Street. Maybe in the near future, I will think about doing it, showing you guys around it, because it is a really cool place to hang out, and it's got a good, really back history just as well. While we're waiting for the cattle to come down, I was just thinking of something cool. Would it be cool if the bulls were coming down the Main Street here? I know at one point, if you went to the fairgrounds in recent past, they do have bulls running. You could have the bulls come after you. It's pretty funny, pretty cool. Say something. What are you guys waiting for here?
Cattle.
Waiting for the bulls?
Watch some cows run. We've got cows. I've never seen cows run down the street before.
Okay.
Cows and cowboys. No, just kidding.
You're on the street, get on the sidewalk.
Behind the barricade.
Behind the barricade.
Behind the barricade, everyone. Behind the barricade. Behind the barricade. This is how they start the fair. First day of the fair, Alameda County.
Okay, so there you have it. That's gonna be our last year be able to see those all those cows like that. It's too bad, but it's last year. It's been a traditional thing, but now the Alameda County Fair is now open to the public. Now I'll be sure to make sure I go within the time. It's usually open for like a 2.5 to 3 week period, and there's a lot to see there. So hopefully I can get there to show you guys what's at the Alameda County Fair this year. So I'm gonna wrap this up. Say my name is Ryan, and thank you for watching. Sure to give those thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys later.